I'm gonna show you what's going on with my Masterbuilt. It's an electric smoker. And you can see I've had this thing for a long time. I haven't used it in about 4 months. It's been sitting in the weather. You see this display is all messed up. But let me show you what's going on with it, and maybe this could help you. And it's a couple of days before Thanksgiving and I need to use this thing. So I'm gonna show you what you can do. When I turn this on, you hear it's just beeping. I'm gonna silence this part of the video and do a voiceover, but you can touch all these buttons. You can hold them for 3, 5, 10 seconds. It's gonna continue to beep. And I'm gonna show you what you need to do. What you need to do is go to the back, and it's 2 screws. Get your Phillips head screwdriver, and you can take them out. And when you take these 2 screws out, and you pull it open, make sure you slide it back and then pull it up. If you don't, it's gonna break. You see that little slot right there? So you wanna slide it back towards you and then pull it up. Then you disconnect this, you just push down on this little slot and pull it up. And when you take this one out, it don't stop it from beeping. It's the other one that stops it from beeping. This which stops the beeping. Just push this button and just pull it up. Once you disconnect this, what happens, it bypasses everything. So now you don't have a timer, and it's gonna do your max. So it's gonna stay hot. It's gonna do the maximum temperature of 275. That's what most of the people cook on anyway. So you don't have no way of controlling your temperature. So it's gonna stay at like 275, and the timer gonna stay on. So it's not gonna go off. You're gonna have to check it. If you're doing a brisket, you're gonna have to come out and check it 10 hours and make sure. So I'm gonna put my digital external gauge on here and let you see what the temperature is. I'm gonna let it sit here for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna show you what the temperature is without this. And you can purchase this power probably from, I think Masterbuilt. I'm gonna try to remember to put the link below. But this is a display, and the only thing you have to do is just take that off. Just replace it with this one. See, this thing's been sitting out in the weather. I've had it for probably over 10 years, and I've had to do some. You've probably seen some of my other videos where I had to replace a few things on it. But yeah, that's all it is. You just unscrew those 2 buttons. Make sure you slide this back and pull it up. If not, you try to pull it straight up, you're gonna end up cracking this right here. You see what happened to me? I was pulled it straight up instead of sliding it back to pull it out of that slot. Let's go check on this Masterbuilt, see what the temperature is at now. Let me get me a swig of this. Let me turn it around so you can see it. If you haven't tried this, try this Blue Moon. That's all I drink now, this Blue Moon. Once you go Blue Moon, you ain't gonna go back. All right, let's go check on this Masterbuilt. Okay, let's go check and see what the temp is now. It's been sitting here for about 20, 25 minutes. You see it don't have the display on it. You see a little smoke coming out the top. So we're gonna look at this gauge and see we got a temperature of 277 degrees. So it's gonna get around 275, 280. I think that's the maximum it's gonna get. Like I said, you don't have no control over this, and plus you don't have a timer because you disconnected the display. And this is to get you by, and you can purchase one of these displays if you look in the description below from Masterbuilt. And you can also purchase one of these gauges also if you would like. Just look in the description. You can go straight to Amazon and purchase that gauge. But I also put little chips in there to get the smoke, the hickory chips. If you've seen my previous videos, and you see the smoke is coming out. So let me open this up and see what we got. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a nice smoked brisket. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And if you want one of these gauges, you could purchase one. You notice that the temperature is going down because I got the door open, and it's gonna continue to go down while I got the door open. But once I close that door, that temperature will start climbing back up to 275, 280. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching. welding and stuff.